So it looks like we have a defect. We just arrived at our campsite and our son noticed this tumor on the side of our tire. So...
And that definitely wasn't there this morning because I checked the tires and the pressure before we left because we were doing a 5-hour drive today. So that's not a big deal, but it could have been, it could have blown out. It definitely could have blown out.
So we're trying to raise up the trailer so we can take the tire off, and that didn't work. Thankfully, Jim, our camp host, comes by with the correct jack, and within a few minutes, we are good to go. We went straight to Amazon and ordered the same jack that Jim had, and it was a good thing because within 1,500 miles, we were in need of it again. All right, so what do we think happened here?
So we think we ran around a blowout over by Roswell a couple days ago, and I was dodging it left and right, and we think we may have picked up some of that because this is our second tire on this side within 2 weeks. All right, and because we didn't get the full process last time, we're gonna get the full process this time. First thing you want to do is break the strength on the lug nuts before you jack it up. So we're gonna do that to all of them, and then I'm gonna jack it up. Sometimes you might need something to put under the jack to get up there. I am not gonna need anything. This one's gonna be tall enough. The way we did it before and the way I think you're gonna want to do it, you're going to want to have it just behind that that U-bolt, and then right on the axle, and then just lift it up. So we are going to make sure that's shut, and then I'm going to jack it up. Okay, so I'm going to jack this thing up. We're going to change this tire lickety-split.
Wow.
Close to a blowout. Once you're ready to lower it, you're just going to turn the valve and release all the air. And there you go. It's coming down. If you have to, you have this great little handle, you just pull it straight back, and then we're going to shove that right down in there to avoid any rust or debris getting in there. You're going to need two things to safely change your tire. The first, a universal lug wrench. Make sure it fits your trailer, because the one that's in your truck is not going to fit. The next thing you're going to need is a bottle jack. We got one that picks up 40,000 pounds. We went overkill. We always do. We just wanted to make sure that we were ready for the future. Basically, stick this under the axle. You can raise your camper and be back on the road in 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna save you guys a little bit of headache. Don't try anything funky you saw on YouTube by using Anderson blocks and your tongue jack to try and get the tire to come up off the ground. It's not gonna work. I thought it was. I didn't buy the bottle jack at first. Save yourself time, effort, spend 50 bucks. We got links below. Get the bottle jack. You'll be able to use it forever. Hey guys, also, because we've had 2 blowouts in the last 2 weeks, or near blowouts in the last 2 weeks, we're also thinking of upgrading our tires. So if anybody has any experience with upgrading your tires for your RV, please comment below, let us know. I'm trying to do some research. I found some stuff last night, but I'm still not set. So if you know something, share below and help me out.